Hey Gabe, what do you think if we have time tonight before dinner? Do you think we should try and start pulling that headliner down? Or no, we got to get the front windshield off before we do that. That's the headliner.
Okay, then yeah.
Daddy's getting behind it here.
It's glue.
Oh yeah, look, that's a... Man, that headliner's over the factory paint. Wonder if this is an original headliner. I can't imagine that it would have lasted that long. Hey, can you get your fingers on there and pull that out? Just keep pulling.
Sure.
All right. You work that side, I'll work this side.
What's this?
It's okay. This is a decent quality headliner with some of this insulation. I'm wondering, and I can't believe that this would be original, but God, it's a really decent headliner. I don't know. It did fall apart a little easy when we started pulling things, so we'll see how that turns out. You guys gonna start pulling on that headliner? All right. What's that? You guys already have toys in there? Do you think this is a play structure?
Yeah.
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 All right. So Gabe, up here, you see any screws or anything around there? That A-pillar trim?
None.
None, huh?
I see a screw right here and here. Yeah, that's good.
No, it's just those clips on the back. Okay. So grab the one on that side and pull. Now put your fingers right behind where those whoop, you bent it. You bent it. I guess you got to pay for a new one. Because you bent it. Look at it. Yeah, we're not going to use it anyway. Don't worry.
Okay.
Don't throw it. Don't throw it. All right. All right. Look above your head. Is that a Phillips head or straight head on those?
Here it's
Phillips. Number 2. Have at it. Be straight. Well, we'll find it. Here, give it to me. Get the next one. Now, how many screws are in there? Hey, are you trying to get behind this pole? Just pull the pole out. Yeah, it comes right out really quick. 3. So you may want to keep your hand on the mirror when you pull this last one out then. What are you trying to do, buddy?
Trying to get this.
Oh, the visor? Yeah, the visor's probably rusted in place. Rotate it down. See if it rotates down. Now, push. Anything? All right, let me get in there. Yeah, there you go. No, yeah, it's not all the way out. There you go. Good job. All right, don't worry about it. We'll pick them up. All right, over there. The visor. Now pull that whole visor back a little bit. No, don't bend. Slide it back. Well, it's all bent up now. So.
Are we even going to use it?
I was going to use the hardware. I was going to fix it up and paint it, but it looks like it's moldy over there. So.
Yeah, it is.
Keep it. You're doing great, bud. You're doing great.
Yeah, you should hate this commercial. We have an old car and they're trying to get you to give them old cars so you can get...
No, they want to give him junk cars for cash. We have an old car. That doesn't mean we have a junk car.
It's still dumb. You're dumb.
Hey, guys. What did you think you should have done? One hand on it, huh? Don't wiggle. Hey, look at it. Figure out how it works. Put the screw gun down. Use your eyes. There you go. Yep, what is that? That's the spring-loaded piece that allows it to turn. So that's what it was. Now this side's going to be the exact same way.
Can I have that?
You want what, the screws? No, I want to keep all the screws. Even if I'm not keeping the hardware, I'm going to keep all the screws and know where everything is. All right, I'm going to sit in the back seat and let you guys drive. Oh, that's going to be your seat?
Yeah. That's my seat.
All right.
Daddy drives.
Oh, it's actually pretty comfy. But
This is not comfy.
I've been standing up all day. Gabe, pay attention to the screw. If you can't get the gun straight, you turn your gun at a different angle. Okay?
Sometimes I sit right here.
Yeah, but you're sitting in front of the camera now. And now all I'm filming is the light. Hey, Annie, can you go take that light next to Gabe and point it towards his work? Screws. You got screws. Remember, hold on to it for that last one. I still got that light right in, shining right at the camera, Ann.
Oh.
Can you kind of point it towards the front of the car?
Okay. What's the salsa?
South side. Just a song.
I got it down.
Yep, you did. Now, you got another up here?
What the heck is it? Oh, fun.
Yeah, you have to get it all the way out. It's not all the way out.
Easy.
Hey, Annie, can you run inside and get the keys to Daddy's truck? Because those boxes to put all these screws and stuff in, where remember I got all those segmented boxes?
Those red and yellow and blue
Yeah.
stuff.
So I want to get all these screws segmented so we know where everything goes.
Can you put your hand in it?
Put my hand on it? Sure.
Like that. So when it goes. When you're done doing that.
All right, so see this around here? It's called the wind lace.
What's that?
It's kind of like a plastic grip that goes on it. Annie, do you want to do some work on the car?
No.
It's just pulling this down. It's called the wind lace. It actually holds on the headliner up top. So all you have to do is pull on that. You want to just pull on that?
Sure.
Here, let me get back here. It's okay.
I got on my leg.
Yeah, see that? Just pull it down.
It's on fast, that one.
Yeah, it comes down really fast, huh? All right, good job, baby. Do you want to do it on the other side?
Sure.
Over here?
Can you get it ready for me?
I can. Give me a second to get myself over there.
I found a screw.
All right. Oh, bless you. Thank you. I'm trying to get that light out of the frame of the video. There we go. Good job, sweetie. You're like a professional. Great job. Thank you for your help. I'm debating on just cutting this out completely. Never mind, it comes off pretty easy. Well, I spoke too soon. I need to get out there and take this off the windshield.
Okay.
You filming me, baby?
I see your face.
Can you see my face? Oh my goodness. Oh, look at this. I can get the whole ceiling to bow down. Look at that. Well, we're losing headroom.